Hey everyone, this is Tyler from Big Lakes Dodge here in High Prairie, Alberta. Today we're going to be talking about this Chrysler 2024 Grand Caravan SXT. This one, the color on this is diamond black crystal pearl. Comes with a black interior with black stitching, and they're cloth bucket seats with ravine inserts. And the engine we're running in here is a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine with start and stop. And this also is a 9-speed automatic transmission. In the second row here we got stow and go bucket seats. And then we got remote proximity keyless entry. Got heated front seats. It's got the power lift gate in the back here. It's got dual power sliding doors on the back doors. It also comes with a heated steering wheel. And it's also got this park view rear backup camera, which is right here. It's always nice for when you're reversing and you can't see anything. And it's equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then there's AC with tri-zone manual temperature control. And it's got rear air conditioning with the heater in the back. And this one also comes with GPS navigation. Let's go take a look inside. We're on the passenger side here in the door. Got some nice accent stitching here. Easy to keep clean here. It's got some nice storage bins on the bottom. Power locks in your windows. You just hit it once, it goes down. You hit it once and it comes up. These are the bucket seats I was telling you about, and it has double stitching on here. It helps it stay longer, so it doesn't blow out on the side on you. You got your glove compartment here. It comes with your manual, all your warranty information. And you can also put an umbrella right there too. It comes on this side and on the driver's side. And then with these doors, you just hit the button once. And it opens up for you. Very nice vehicle. And then you got the stow and go seats here. You just lift this up and then you'll be able to fold this down. Also comes with armrests on both sides. And if you wanted to, instead of people walking around right here and go to the back, you just hit this button. Yeah. I could just go in right there. Let's pop this back and I'll come right back here and I'll show you how to stow and go these. Alright, you have to pull this seat up all the way. That's what I had to go do there. Here's your in-floor storage. If you want to store stuff while you're traveling for a long haul, or you can pull this thing right here, stow and go, and then you just hit that down. Locks in. Boom. Lots of space here. Let me just pull that up for you real quick and I'll hop in and I'll show you a little bit of the features in the back seat here. Alright, I'll be hopping in real quick here. And then to close this door, you can either hit this, pull this thing here, or you could just hit this button. Got lots of storage space in the back of the seats here on both sides. It's always nice. You got the temperature control for the back here, and then you direct your airflow there. It also comes on that side, then it goes on that side, and then this side as well. Something I wanted to show you is that it has power windows here, and it goes down all the way to about right there. Keeps it a little safe so kids don't try and hang out the window. You could also lock these windows from the front. And then to open this back door, you just hit this, or you can hit the button. Either or works. All right, let's go to the back. Just hit that button and it closes for you. Very nice vehicle. And then you just hit this. It's power lift gate, so you just pop this once. And the cool thing about this one is that it comes with the hook, so if you're grocery shopping, you can hang your bags that have like glass spaghetti jars or something like that, so they're not rolling around, so they don't break on you. Another cool thing is these headrests. You want to put the seats on, you hit 1, then 2. So you start with 1, and you hit up here. It's that, and you hit 2. Same thing on this side. 1, and then 2. Oh, give me 1 second here. Jeez, 1 second. Let me hit 2 here. Oh, gotta hit 1 again. Little safety mechanism there. Lots of room here. Always nice. You got the cup holders for the back seat, both sides. And you also got a little inflatable tire kit here. Comes with a pump in there in case you get a flat. And then you just pull these back up like this. You hit 1, and you hit 2. You pull your headrest up. You hit 1, hit 2, and pull your headrest up. And then to get out of this, you just hit your power lift gate, and it goes down. And then we'll go into the other side here. I'll hop into the back so I'll show you what it looks like. You can also pull the seat up like this. That's always nice so you're not walking around. I'll hop in back here. Lots of room here. Here's your other climate things. I'm a 6'2" guy, so there's a lot of room here for me. Feels nice and comfortable. Got your cup holders. You hit this, go forward. 1 second. You also got your in-floor storage on this side as well. Or you can do a stow and go on this side too. Pull your stow and go strap. Yeah, and then it just goes in like that. And it just goes in like this. Just gotta make sure it clicks down. And you're good to go. Lots and lots of room. And we'll go to the driver's side here. Got the nice accent stitching, more storage down there. You got the power locks. You can lock the windows in case the kids are trying to mess around in the back. You can control them. One touch on this side. You got your power mirrors as well here. And then let's hop in the driver's seat. Another thing I forgot to mention is that you got your lumbar control in case you got a bad back, 4-way lumbar. It'd be nice for long trips. You got your power seats. Another place for an umbrella. Let's hop in. Now that we're in the driver's seat, you got your cruise control, all that stuff. You can answer your phone, end it. You can go through your dash cluster here. Got your speedometer, screen setup. And then if you have your phone connected, it could read your messages for you. And then it'll also show you the radio station or SiriusXM channel you're on. It's got your start and stop, your trip info, A and B. Got your fuel economy on there as well. Your vehicle info, your tire pressure. It's always good to know. Back to your speedometer. We'll go over to this side here. You got nice 10.1 inch infotainment screen here. These are fully customizable. You press home, you can drag this to whatever side you want. Let me show you here. You just drag it anywhere you want. Customize it to your liking. And then you could also change this, put anything you want here, have the navigation, and have your phone there instead of the satellite radio. It's also got heated front seats and steering wheels on both sides of the front seat. And then you got your media, AM, FM, connect your phone, or you can have USB. Got your climate control. And then this one also comes with the navigation. Never get lost with that on your next long road trip, will you? Like I mentioned, you can put on your iPhone or your Android, and it's Apple CarPlay compatible or Android Auto compatible. It's got all your information on your vehicle. It's got your language and display mode. All that stuff. Display my profile, and you got your voice, navigation, camera. Got your rear backup camera. I'll show you real quick here. That's always perfect when you can't see. Got your door locks, mirrors, wipers, lights, brakes, all that information you need, seats and comfort, audio notifications, and then your SiriusXM setup. And then all the apps that you got to choose from here. You got your Wi-Fi hotspot that comes with, but you got to pay for that as well. You got your weather, vehicle, USB 1, USB 2. Those are right here. Also comes with an auxiliary input and USB-C plugins with storage down here, some more storage, and then even more storage right here. That's a lot of storage. And then it also comes with a nice few cup holders, extra storage down there. It also comes with the 12-volt car charger. And if you're driving down the highway and the screen's a little too bright for you in the middle of the night and then bright lights bother you, you just hit the screen off, turn that screen right off, and it's pretty easy to turn back on. You just hit the screen. And then you got your passenger seat, your SiriusXM, your software updates, SOS, your notifications. Got your heated steering wheel, media, navigation, notices, and then your phone information. You got your Bluetooth, comfort, controls, device manager, and then your driver profiles. So if you set up a profile like your memory seats and everything with this key, and then you have the other key, so your wife or somebody else that you're sharing the vehicle with, they come in with the second key, it'll recognize the second key, and then it'll be able to tune it to everything that they like their suggested radio stations, their seats, and then yeah, everything like that. And then you also got your Alexa, AM radio, auxiliary cable, audio settings. And this one also comes with the park assist. You can turn that on or off if you want. And then the auto start and stop. And then it also comes with the electronic brake, emergency brake. So if you're parked and you're on a hill, you just hit that button. And then to deactivate it, you just hit your brake, hit that button. It'll turn right off for you. And then also up here, you got your doors, your back doors that'll control. Got your power lift gate, your lights, and then you got a little storage for your sunglasses. And then if you want to keep an eye on the kids in the back, you got this little thing, so you'll be able to see back there pretty well. Nobody can mess around. Well, if you like what you see, come stop by Big Lakes Dodge in High Prairie, and then we'll get you all set up and hopefully driving home in this van. Take care, everyone. Bye.